Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M53 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll in order to find the apps. They should be right under the battery and device care. Now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on reset up preferences, as this is the option we're looking for. And here your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, notification restrictions for apps, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset. And basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Samsung Galaxy M53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.